Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to recruit Minthara in Baldur's Gate 3. To begin, you must choose to side with the goblins during the raid the Emerald Grove quest. This decision locks you into a specific evil playthrough, so be prepared for the consequences. You'll need to speak with Minthara at the goblin camp and agree to her plan to attack the Tiefling refuge. This is a critical early game choice that shapes your entire narrative. Once you've reached the goblin camp, find Minthara in the Shattered Sanctum. She will outline her strategy to attack the Emerald Grove. You must commit to assisting her in this assault. This means you will be fighting against the Tieflings and Druids you might otherwise protect. Ensure your party is ready for a significant battle, as the Grove's defenders are formidable opponents. Following the successful raid on the Emerald Grove, Minthara will relocate to Moonrise Towers. You'll need to progress into Act 2 and make your way to this location. Upon arrival, you will find Minthara on trial. To secure her as a companion, you must intervene and defend her from Ketheric Thorm's judgment. This pivotal moment determines her fate and your ability to recruit her. After successfully defending Minthara at Moonrise Towers, she will finally be available to join your adventuring party. She brings a powerful Drow Paladin class and a unique, often ruthless, perspective to your journey. Her presence opens up new dialogue options and story paths, aligning with a darker playthrough. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.